Deforestation will be the death of us!
What are you doing, man? I live here. You got some nerve doing this. Lots of nerves. I get my whole squad on y'all, man. Cut down my trees until you die. No oxygen, look at so.
I'm clearing the trees to support my family, and the rest of the world needs paper.
Oh, yeah, okay. My friend. Well, in 100 years, you'll be out of a job. I'll be out of a home because every minute 20 football fields are being cleared up for floors. All because you want to build a house. What about me? I need a house too. I need some love. Huh?
My problem. How's it affecting me?
Not your problem, eh? Do you realize you need oxygen to breathe, and oxygen that comes from all these trees you are cutting down? Look behind you, son. Now harming yourself, eh?
So, I'm killing my own people?
Yeah, and mine too. And mine too.
So, how can we change our ways, to just live in harmony?
Well, it's me. All the animals in the rainforest are suffering just like me. You can start by planting trees. Here you go. Here's some seeds. Look at those! Did this man really just ask one of those?
Well, what else can I do to help, man?
Well, recycle to certified wood products, go paperless, support the economies of logging countries so you don't have to log to support the country's economy.
Hold up, wait a minute.
Oh, break. Keep it going. Doing good.
Wait, I just saw a parrot. He said we killing ourselves.
Parrot? What the? Son? A parrot? A parrot. Okay, I'm gonna believe that. Yeah, you're right. Yeah, I'm gonna believe that.
He said to plant a tree.
I don't know. No, I don't want to hear it.
And also by buying recycled and wood certified products.
Wood certified. Or support the economies of logging countries.
Hey man, you can just do them all.
Right. You the man! You's the man! Or, my man, you can donate and support for standfortrees.org.
What are we doing here? We need to save the forest and tell our friends!
Ooh. What about me? I'm gonna save the forest too!
No, it's Malcolm.
Oh. I thought we were going to
A parrot.
I thought he had to say it. Or you can support.
Just tell me when to go.
Okay.
Just tell me when to go.
or support local logging countries, man. Yeah.
Yeah.